Hi there. So this is take 3 of the video. So hopefully we have sound working okay now. So today's a live Friday is going to be answering 2 questions, one from Liz and one from Robin. So Liz's question is, I recently started 2 months ago, 3 clients down and now I'm stuck. How do I source more clients? So my first comment is congratulations on having 3 clients, because getting the first client is definitely the hardest. So that is awesome, especially if you've done that in 2 months. So now, so I've done a few videos on getting clients and how to go about that. So I'm going to post those for who are just starting out and wanting their first client. I'm going to put that in the comments so that you can hear me go into more detail on that. But because you, Liz, have got 3 clients already, the key message for you is to try and use those clients to get your next clients. So, and I'm assuming that they are ongoing clients and you're still doing work for them. Awesome, thank you, Beck. That's much better. So I will keep doing that in the future with this headset. So yeah, I'm going to assume that you're still doing work for those 3 clients, and so you're still communicating with them. So my advice is to go to those 3 clients and remember that your clients are so busy in their day-to-day, their operations, their business, you're doing work for them, that's not even on their radar that you might be looking for more clients. So put it on their radar, have a conversation with them and just say that, you know, it's awesome working with you. You have capacity and you'd love to build up your client base and get more clients. Assure them that even bringing on more clients, you'll still be able to deliver the same great service to them. So let them know that you're looking for more clients, that you, the way that they can tell who might be interested in having a virtual assistant is that they might hear their friends or people in their network, other people in business that say, oh, I'm so busy. Oh, I haven't got time to do this. I've been working late at night. Oh, I've got so much on. Those types of things. That's a good indicator that someone could use a virtual assistant. So yeah, put it on your client's radar. Let them know that you're looking for more clients so that they can be your referrers and get you your next clients. And so from Robin, she is asking if there are any special software needed other than these just standard Microsoft Office suite. So I always like to advise that people only sign up to free tools to begin with. However, Office 365 or the Microsoft suite is definitely one of the tools that you will need, that will be paid. So that tool is really important for those who might be delivering services where they need to format Word documents or do work in Excel, just like general virtual assistant services. Really important that you have that tool. However, if you're not doing that type of service, if you might be doing social media services, then the Microsoft Office suite is probably not even something that you would need to have. So we're talking about, like, if you're doing personal assistant services, formatting services, inbox diary management, etc., those types of things, you'll definitely need the Microsoft Office suite. In addition to that, I also recommend that you get a Google account, and you can just get a free Google account by just signing up to a Gmail address and using that as your login for your Google account, which means that you get access to Google Sites and Google Docs and Google Sheets, etc. So when a client brings you on, it's likely that they'll want to share some files and documents with you. Quite often they could be on Google as their platform for running their business and their email and calendar, etc., and files. So they'll be needing a Google account for them to share the files with you. So that's why you'll need to get that set up. And it's just a free one. You won't use it as your email address. You could use that in your Office 365. But yeah, you can use that to access Google type software. The other one is that you'll need to get Zoom, Skype, maybe Google Hangouts if you get that Google account, and if you've got Office 365, then you'll have Teams. Those are all video calling software. So no matter what your client has, you'll be able to jump in on a call with them if you get those downloaded. So the free ones, Zoom, Google Hangouts, and Skype, definitely get those ones, because you can just have them sitting there and use them for when you need. That will be like for sales calls or jumping on handover calls, or you might just want to have regular catch-ups with your clients. So I recommend just getting them all. Get all the free ones, and then whatever your client is using, it makes it super easy, because you can be like, yep, I use Google Hangouts, I can use Zoom, and then you can go straight in. Another one is definitely LastPass. I talk about that a lot. Make sure that you have LastPass so that you can have your passwords all saved, and your client's passwords that they provide you all saved, and your client can actually share, if they have a LastPass account, can share passwords to you as well. I recommend getting Trello, so that could be a good way to get started with a free way to manage your tasks and projects and clients and what you're doing for them. You could have a board for each client, and it's a good way to have a joint to-do list. Hi, Joy. A good way to have a joint to-do list where you can both be in the same board. And then you're going to need something to track your time with. So I recommend, as a free option to get started, is Toggle. Then you can track your time, have a timesheet, and provide that to clients. And I also recommend getting Airtable. Airtable, I use it still now, even after 7 years of having my virtual assistant business. This is how we track our clients, their details, which one of my team is assigned to them, how many hours they're signed up for, etc. And we also have all of our leads in the Kanban view in Airtable. You can then put your leads into, like contacted, hot, cold, send a proposal, etc. So you can manage that in a Kanban view in Airtable, or any other list that you need to keep. Instead of having it in a spreadsheet, Airtable is way, way better and has loads of options where you can upload attachments into like each of the fields if you want to. There's calendar option and all sorts of things. So check that out. Have a look at their templated, like example bases, they call them. And you can see what's possible in there. So yeah, those are my get started on free tools so that you can hit the ground running as soon as you get a client. Yeah, those are my recommendations. So yeah, if anyone has any future questions, please do feel free to use the hashtag Ask Me Tuesday, and it doesn't matter if it's not on a Tuesday, just pop that in and then I can answer them next Friday. So now I will put in some links to some other videos that I've done. If anyone is wanting more help, and I often do like answer specific questions, and you can contact me on email, etc., or Facebook Messenger. Once you're a member inside the members club, it's a paid members club, it's 47 New Zealand dollars per month. It's a way to get quick answers and help and advice on things that are happening in your business or with your business right now. Plus, there's a whole site that has all sorts of resources, swipe files if you're wanting a contract template for a contractor, if you're wanting a terms of engagement template for your clients. So super easy way to fast track getting everything set up so that then you're ready to hit the ground running when you get that first client. So check that out. I'll also put a link in the comments, but that is a free 7-day trial. So yeah, anyone who's like serious about doing this and wants all the help to get it all done for you so that you can hit the ground running, yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, so see you all next Friday.